Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Kamdar, and I'm a student in computer science and engineering, specifically from branch CSEA. Today, we're diving into the heart of the LLM and prompt engineering. So, what exactly is a LangChain chain? Simply put, LangChain chains are sequences of operations. These chains are designed to connect prompts, models, and various tools together. Their purpose is to perform highly complex tasks that go beyond a single simple interaction with a language model. They are the structured pipelines that make LLMs truly useful in real-world applications. Before looking at the chains themselves, let's understand the 5 core building blocks that make up a LangChain application. First, we have LLMs, or large language models. These are the LMs, core AI that generate or process text. Think of models like OpenAI's GPT, Cohere, or Llama. Second, prompts. These are the structured inputs or instructions given to the LLM, often including variables to make them dynamic. Third, chains. We know these are the pipelines that link multiple steps, like prompts, models, and tools to perform tasks. Fourth, agents. These are autonomous units that make decisions. They decide which action or tool to use based on the input. For example, deciding whether to call a calculator, search the web, or just generate text. Finally, memory. Memory is essential for maintaining context. It stores previous interactions so that a chatbot can remember user preferences across multiple steps or sessions. And a quick note on output parsers. These process and format the raw output of the LLM into structured data, such as extracting a JSON object. Types of LangChain chains. LangChain offers several types of chains, each suited for a different kind of task. The simplest is the simple chain. This is a basic pipeline involving just a single LLM call with one prompt. A prompt is sent to the LLM, and the response is returned directly. Next is the sequential chain. As the name suggests, this chain runs multiple steps in a fixed order. The critical feature here is that the output of one step automatically becomes the input of the next. Moving to more complex chains, we have the router chain. A router chain is designed to be dynamic. It chooses a different subchain based on conditions or the user's input. It intelligently directs the flow of the workflow. Then there's the MapReduce chain. This is extremely useful for processing large inputs. It works by breaking the input into smaller parts, processing each part independently, and then combining all the results. And finally, if none of the standard chains fit your needs, you can create a custom chain. This is a user-designed chain that lets you combine any assortment of tools, models, retrievers, or APIs exactly how you need them. Uses of LangChain chains. So, why go through the effort of building chains? Because they unlock powerful applications. First, they enable the automation of complex workflows. They allow us to structure a series of steps that would otherwise require multiple manual calls. Second, they support structured prompt management, ensuring consistency in the instructions given to the LLM. Third, they are crucial for data retrieval and processing, allowing the LLM to interact with external data sources. Overall, LangChain chains build custom workflows, combine LLMs with tools, and most importantly, significantly, improve output accuracy and consistency for real-world tasks. Conclusion. To conclude, LangChain chains are the essential scaffolding that transforms large language models from simple text generators into sophisticated, multi-step